guys, welcome to another important project. In this project I want to show you how to change the white cloth into flower texture cloth, or how to add flower texture cloth on this white blouse. So first, go to select create selection and change the size of the selection. Select all this white blues like this. Hold Alt key, remove this part of the selections. Hold Alt key, remove. So, and now zoom in, change the size, hold Alt, change the size, select these parts and these parts, zoom out. Okay, so first click on mask. Before clicking on mask, press Ctrl+J on keyboard. Go to import or open the texture of the flower. Go to edit and go to define pattern. Right here flower and enter. Go back to here and right click, go to blending option, select pattern overlays. So you can add pattern overlay from this effects list. So select pattern overlay and select the pattern of the flower from here. Change the size, the scale, and you can change to multiply. It looks like realistic. You can change from here too. Select the layer and change to multiply. Let's see, multiply. So the best way to change the multiply, there have another way. The second way to change the cloth to add flower pattern, hold Ctrl click and select your original layer and go to click here and select the pattern and select from here the flower pattern and change the size. Click OK and change to multiply. Don't forget, double click again, change the scale like this and click OK. And now you can see the flower texture pattern instead of the white blues cloth. Okay guys, if you need to change the floor, how to do this is very important. First, select quick selection, select the background and select all the floor and zoom in. Select this part, hold Alt key, erase selection from this part and select this part. Select like this. So and now we need to add another pattern here. Go to adjustment mask, go to pattern, click and select your favorite pattern, click OK. If you need to mix, select the multiply from here. And another way to look more realistic, how to do that, select, drag and drop here, set here, then hold Alt key, change the size, right click, select the distort, first point, another point, another point, and another point. You can see zoom out, select this point, click OK. So turn off, select your original background and go to select subject. After selecting the subject, Ctrl J, press and select the floor, move it down, turn on and change to multiply. And now turn on the body too. Now you can see the original flower pattern to the flower. Select again. If you need to change the mode, select from the normal down arrow key, press down arrow key. Select multiply. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to change the white or black simple cloth color into flower pattern texture.